this video I want to show you how to take a selfie using Oppo A94. So in order to do this we'll need to open a camera. From here change to the front camera. And now simply point the phone at the camera itself on your face. Make sure that it captures your entire face. And then simply click on the shutter. Now let's check out these pictures. And that's how you take a selfie. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.